Ladies and gentlemen, this is the time we acknowledge the talent of our position holders. The position holders who have been struggling and facing many challenges and difficulties to be pioneers. In fact, that's all because of their own perseverance, constancy, and immovability. Ladies and gentlemen, to felicitate the prize of position holders, I would like to call the great personality, Mr. Khalid Aman, Mr. President of Insaf Movement, to come on the stage to distribute the award of position holders. Please give him a big hand. Now, this is the time to name the pioneer and vanguard. The first position, our senior class, class 9, the most intelligent student, Mr. Usman Ali. Please, may I hear the thunder of claps for him to be present here on the stage and receive his appreciation award. Now, let me to announce another pioneer and talented person who has gotten second position. Any guesses? This has to be guess. So the second position goes to Mr. Umar Malik. Please appreciate him to be present here on the stage. Now let's come to the third position holders from the participant. Ladies and gentlemen, our participants are so talented. Who can be so versatile? They can do their job really well. There's proven right in front of you. Now I request you to put your hands up for welcome of Mr. Thayer and Mr. Munir to come on stage for receiving their prizes. I congratulate and appreciate the position holders and their parents who have put faith and love together and positive person in society. As usual, in the last of this ceremony, I request to all audience to stand up for national anthem. Very thanks for your coming here. It's honor for us.